Hello and welcome to Super J Sai Business and Services. This is where we bring you smiles because our tutorials are just easy to learn and easy to work with. Now, I want to welcome you if you are a new person and this is your first time of watching our videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and then like our videos. Go through our tutorials, they are very easy for you to learn. Now, today I'm going to give you a very short one. So I was in the house and a friend of mine called me and said, Kofi, can you please duplicate this thing for me? You know what? I'll show you. So let's just hit to the desktop. Okay, so over here I have a PDF of an image. So it is just one image. And so this friend of mine called me and was like, I want you to make this image. Now I'll make the size very small so that I can see. You can see that it is just one image. So he said, I want 8 copies of this. You know what? It is being requested for. So they are like, I want 8 copies of this, and this is a PDF file. And he's requesting me to make a PDF file of 8 copies of this. Then I said, okay. Anyways, I'm gonna make a quick video on this for you. So if you have been wondering how you're gonna be doing this, this is the time. Let's start it. So this is the image that we have. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to, I'm using Forces Reader. So if you don't have Forces Reader, it is one of the best. Actually, it is that which I use on all my machines. Yeah, it's an open source. It's free, so you can just check it out, download, and then use it. It is very good. It opens your PDF files and gives you a whole bunch of tutorials. Anyways, this is not a promotional video, so I'm not gonna talk much about Forces Reader, but you can use it, somebody. So quickly I'm gonna check it here. Over here on the home tab you can see the tools group, and then we have the screen snapshot. We have snapshot. So over here, if I click on snapshot, you can see if you want to use the shortcut, it is also there for you. With a snapshot, I can just click on it once and you see it has been engulfed in blue, which means that it has been copied, or let me say it has been copied. So when I come here, you can see, okay, let me say I say copy, or better still, I can just click on it and then come here and then I just take it all through. Okay, like I'm gonna do that one also. So I'll just click here and then I'll come here, and then for the edges that I want, I will just drag over to cover it all. And then once I leave it, once I release, you're gonna see that I'm going to be having this blue engulfs. Okay, so like there's this blue thing, it's highlighted somehow. And then when I come to the clipboard, you see it's copied. So what I'm gonna do is this. You know what, I'm gonna do some quick one for you so that you're gonna understand, you're gonna see what I'm talking about. So how about maybe I open Microsoft Paint. Okay, now there's my Paint window. I just want to show everything to you, and then when I come here and I paste, you know what, I'm gonna do it again. So if I come to Microsoft Paint and then I click on paste, you see that the image came, meaning that it was copied from the reader or the Forces Reader or from the PDF. I don't need this one. So back to the PDF. Now we know it is copied. Just that when we come here, we are not seeing the paste active, but in a short while it is going to be active. Sorry if the video is going like too quick for you. I'll just entreat you to go to your YouTube. Just at the down of this video, you see the play speed, or you can see the cog icon. Just click on it and set the play speed to a little bit slower. Yeah, I think that is going to be amazing for you. Okay, so back to what we were doing now. It is copied. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a new PDF file, and then I'm going to duplicate this image multiple times, like 8 times as the friend wanted it. Okay, so when I come here, I'll come to file and then go to create. Um, so over here you have create, and then I am going to click on the create, and now you can see blank. I hope it is visible over here, so you can see blank over here. I'm gonna, yes, over here blank. Amazing. And then the next thing that you're gonna do is that you're gonna click on blank over here. So for this reader is going to give us a blank PDF. As you can see, I'll zoom out so that you can see it. Okay, as you can see, this is a blank PDF. If you check the title over here, it says untitled PDF. It says untitled PDF. I hope you can see this untitled PDF over here, over here. So it says untitled PDF. Good. So let's continue with it. What I'm going to do is that I just want it rotated. You know, I want it in the landscape mode. Yeah, I want it in a landscape mode. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to say rotate right over here. I hope you can see it, rotate right. Let me just circle it so that you can see rotate right over here. Amazing. So let's continue. Let me click on it, and it's now rotated. Now what I'm going to do, I come to clipboard, and now I can see the paste. Now I have the paste. So over here, I click on paste, and then when I come, you see it over here. It's moving now. I can see it moving now. So I click on it, and then I position it. Once I click, it is positioned. Okay, I can also click to select it. Okay, it takes some bit of time to read and to create. Yeah, sure. It is now creating the image file. So that is what we're gonna do. That is what we're gonna be waiting for to finish. Amazing. Okay, so it is finally done. What we're going to be doing over here is that I'm going to do a little bit of resize in case it is not going to fit the width over here. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to put down my control button, and then I'm going to drag to the next, like to create a copy of it, just like that. I believe you know this one. So I'll just do the same for a third copy, and now I'll do the same. I think the positioning is not okay. I can just use my up and down button to just position it well. I'll now create the last copy like this, and I think I'm done with all the four. But checking how it is being positioned, I think there are a lot of edges that are amazing. Okay, so I want to use all the edges, so I'm gonna select all of them by holding down the control button again, and now I can drag it to the middle. Are you getting this? And now once I have all of the four selected, I'll just hold down my control key again, and now I'll just drag it down to make duplicates of it. Voila! So now we have 8 of the images on the same file. What are you going to do now? So now you are going to be saving our file. So it is very quick. Let's go back to file. Or better still, you can just use this save button over here. This save button over here. I believe you can see the save button here. Yeah, this very one. We're going to be using the save button. And as you can see, that even the name is over here as saved. Good. So I'll click on save, and now we will be asked to choose the location. I'm going to paste it back onto my desktop, and so I'm going to give it a name like let me say 8 passport size pictures. Are you getting this? Like that? Oh, sorry, pictures. Amazing. Now I'm gonna click on save, and I think we are done. Oh wow, it automatically viewed it for us, but no problem. Let me just close this. I'm gonna close this so that you just see that it is being closed. My desktop. So let me bring my file. Let me bring my file over here. It saved it onto my desktop, but I'm not seeing it over here. So over here, good, amazing. It went to my other screen over here. So I'm just opening the PDF, and here we are with 8 copies of the same image. Don't forget that this is how it was done. This video was brought to you proudly by the Super J Side Business and Services. We have lots of tutorials. In case there's something you want to do on your computer and you don't know how to do it, just hit and leave us a comment in the comment section so that I will be able to see, and then I can make videos for you. Yes, based on your recommendation. So, wow, it is just for JSI Business and Services. We always say bringing you smiles. See you in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you. Bye bye.